Hi, my name's Graham, owner of Urban Piping. I'm sure you've heard of us. We're the Canadian leader in poly B replacement, with more remediations than any other company. My goal is to create something that is mutually beneficial by getting everyone on the same page about poly B piping. We can ensure that our customers are not only getting the right information, but we can also be able to provide them with a solution. My hope that as a realtor, when a buyer's home inspection report comes back stating that the house has poly B piping, that you've already spoken with our company about the remediation, you know the cost and the timeline, and can bring that to the negotiation table. With everyone on the same page, we will find that the home inspectors can continue to do thorough and true inspection reports, customers will get their dream home, the realtors will still sell a house, and will perform another flawless remediation. It's a win-win for everyone. If this sounds like something that you are interested in, please reach out to me below. I'd be happy to provide you and your team with all the media and content about poly B as you need, from full video productions to blog writing, as well as any educational or strategic presentations. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to working with you in the future.